Hi friend, this is Tapos and welcome to this new module. This is the pattern. This is one of the very powerful pattern, that is chain of thoughts pattern. So what is it? Chain of thought pattern means it's a very powerful pattern. It means the concept behind this is to break down the complex task in a simple task. Okay, so break down. Suppose you are asking something complicated. So instead of that, what we will do? Ask me the question number this. Ask me sorry answer question number one, answer question number two, answer question number three, and then combine the answers and provide me the final output. Okay, so like that way, so we will break down the complex task and then we will combine it as a, so the chain of thoughts, the multiple thoughts we will provide, and then combining all the finally combining all the prompts, it will provide a final prompt, a final answer. Okay, so what will happen, it will be more powerful. So here as it is, this example shows how the chain of thoughts pattern can be used to break down complex problem into logical steps. So complex problem, it will break down in logical steps, leading to a reasoned final response. Okay, so here is the example. Suppose here the for one format I have set, but in your case you can set it, you cannot set it anyway. It is not really important, but for understanding purpose I must say the prompt statement. The first thing is a prompt statement, clear, describe the problem or question you need to address. Then the chain of thoughts, you can tell ChatGPT or any other AI tools that you create chain of thoughts, and then final response, combine the chain of thoughts and provide me the final response. Suppose here is one example I just want to explain with you, that is solving a math problem. So I am telling ChatGPT, solve the following math problem. What is the sum of the squares of 3 and 4? So there two questions I am asking together. What is the sum I want, as well as I want the square of 3 and 4. 3 square and 4 square. What will be the result? Then I need the sum. So in that concept I have break it down. How? The first, find the square of 3, which is 3 square. 3 square is equal to 9. Next, find the square of 4, which is 4 square is equal to 16. Now the final output is, and the two results, 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So instead of asking this complicated question, this is not a complicated question, just for example purpose I have taken this, but it might be more complicated question, more complicated uh, problem you might face in future. So chain of thoughts means it will simplify, it will step by step, it will simplify, and then it will clarify you. Suppose one code you don't know, any Python code, any Excel formula, any JavaScript code you don't know, so it what it will do, if you tell the chain of thoughts, then it will provide the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, then combine all this answer and provide you the final response. Here is the final response, the sum of the square of 3 and 4 is 25. Like this is not only for mathematical thing, for every purpose you can use it. Then the second example is understanding a historical event. So here the prompt is understanding a historical event. The prompt is explain the scientific significance of the signing of the Magna Carta in 1215. So again the chain of thoughts and the final response. Example number 3, analyzing a business strategy. So again you are asking ChatGPT, my question is analyze the benefits of adopting a subscription based model for a software company. So instead of asking this, I have broken down this question. Subscription based model provide recurring revenue which can lead to more stable and predictable income. Two, they encourage customer loyalty and can reduce churn as customer has committed to longer term use. The model allows for continuous updates and improvements to the software, which can enhance the user satisfaction for retention. So again, the final response if it has given like that. So what you can do is, again let me example number 4 is there, developing marketing strategy. The format is same, pretty same. The format is same. You need to explain only your content, topic, and subject. Again, the example number 4, the example number 5, designing a user experience. Here the content, then the chain of thoughts, then the final response. So what happens is, so what you can do is, you can tell, see here I have written already here. What you can do is, you can simply tell the prompt what is your question, what is your problem, you can ask, and then you will write. I have written here, oh, I have deleted. Okay, let me show one example. Let me go to the example number 1. Acha, example number 1 is very leave it, then take it. Example number 3, suppose you are asking ChatGPT this question: I will only provide this. Analyze the benefits of adopting a subscription based model for a software company. Now you will ask, um, provide 3 chain of thoughts out of it, and then combine the thoughts response as final response. So I am asking, um, okay, I'm asking analyze the benefit of this is my subject I have given, and I am asking, I did not provide any other thing. I have asking this question, and then provide 3 chain of thoughts. You can write 5 chain of thoughts if you want to break down more further. Provide 3 chains of thoughts out of it, and then comply the thoughts as the final response. So see how it will works. It will create 3 chain of thoughts for me. Chain of thoughts 1, chain of thought 2, then chain of thought 3 it will create, and then combine as a final answer. It will provide a final answer, compiled response. So this is the final response. Again, you can further it, you can narrow it down further. How? You can here say, and this is software provide 3 chains of thoughts, only the bullet points, only the points. Here it is explained, but you can say only provide only the bullet points. Okay, you can further narrow it down further. Okay, so it is it. Or else how, there are another way you can write. Suppose you can copy the entire thing. Let me take another example. Suppose this is developing a marketing strategy. What you can do is, you can copy the entire till final response. You can copy, then what you can do, you can paste it as an example. You can paste it as example, and now on the top or down, what you can do, take the above example, take the above example, and create output of my question, my question is, my question is digital marketing for, or my subject is, my question is anything, my topic is digital marketing for small business. Digital marketing. So I have given a template, like this template you need to follow, but in this case subject to be my subject. Take above example and create a output without create output or my question and output of my question is digital question is about digital marketing for small businesses. Let's see how it works. See, you have given the template, which template they need to use. So see, chain of thoughts, first thing prompt statement, then the chain of thoughts, then the final response, right? Where it is final response. These are the three points. And now, based on your subject, based on your topic, it has created the prompt. See, prompt statement: develop digital marketing strategy for small businesses. Chain of thought is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then final response it has given. Okay, so I think you got the idea, and that how chain of thought works. Okay, I think you got the idea. Again, let me go to another example. Here I have given two examples. Anyway, so let me take this simple example. So in the two ways you can do, I think it's pretty clear to you. In the two ways you can do, how you can do that. The first thing is, you can copy and paste the entire content, and then you can tell ChatGPT that use it as a template, and then provide me the answer. Follow this template and provide me the answer. My subject is this, my topic is this. So that is the one way. And another way is, what you can say, you can only write the prompt. You can write the prompt that this is my prompt, and what you will do is, you create the chain of thoughts, 5 chain of thoughts, or 10 chain of thoughts, or 3 chain of thoughts you create, and then combining all those answer, you create a final response. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. It is pretty clear to you. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask. And the most important thing is, you need to practice. What you need to do, you just copy the template and paste it, and then replace your content, and practice it until you get your best version out of it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.